Today we are going to remove ceiling from this Range Rover because it's all done. First we must remove all the screws, these sun visors, screws here, and from the light, and from these handles, and also we must remove the back beautiful speakers. Then we can remove all the ceiling through the back doors. Must also remove this one, then these two guys. Screw you. Now we must remove also these 4 screws on the both sides and in the front. Speakers. Let's remove now this plastic. It's on both sides, and then the speakers, and also the backlight. Finally, the Impro Liga back speakers. Really nice. Finally, the last 2 ones. Now you can see this condition of this ceiling. It's really nice. But let's try it now. Remove it from the car. We found also some silicone gluing by the sunroof, so his next procedure is to remove it safely from the silicone glue. We can also unplug the backlight, but we can see the condition, what is hiding between this roof and the ceiling. Maybe some animal lives here, you never know. Okay, let's remove this out now.
Io prendo come